really doesn't look
Yo,
like
this
he
girl's
got hurt.
weird. Yo, she's weird.
Part of Willie looks fine.
Oh! She looked at a sheep's penis. No way. Oh, wait, it's... Oh, is it the post office?
It says store on it.
Really, Dora? I can't see anything that says store on it. I don't know.
I'm kind of in a hurry here.
I don't know. Which one says store? No way the game is forcing me to press store. Like, obviously, like, bro, duh! She's so cute.
Don't do that!
Don't do what?
I said I don't want to go in there!
You dumb motherfucker! There's no candy store! Relax! I'm the grown-ass man here! You're the little girl! Respect your elders!
Can you show me where the cookies are?
Huh?
I don't think my friend will like that. I can't mail that to my friend.
Huh?
I want the cookies!
Listen here, smartass! They right fucking there, you dumb fuck! We not helping that cat!
Please help the lonely kitten.
No, little girl, I'm not gonna help the kitten because I'm not a piece of shit like you, little girl.
Won't you help the lonely kitten?
No! Yeah, freak out! Yeah, freak out! Yeah, freak out! Freak out!
Won't you help the lonely kitten? Won't you help the lonely kitten? Won't you help the lonely kitten? Won't you help the lonely kitten?
Oh shit. Oh shit, here we go. No! No! Back the fuck off! Back the fuck off! Pokemon 3000! Back off! Back off! That's what death sounds like. Do you wanna die? What sound does the dog make? No, not that silly. It goes...